Washing my glasses with tea. This is what daily life looks like on land left behind after a contractor walked away. The contractor we hired walked away. The trash is piled so high it won't move. I have to break it apart with an excavator. This iron plate used to be part of my father's animal shed. I tried dismantling it by hand, but it didn't stand a chance. I hired the contractor, but they left halfway through, leaving everything behind. This isn't just trash. Most of it can't be disposed of through normal collection. It's closer to industrial waste. Even knowing how heavy it is, my wife still tries to carry it herself. This black hose won't come out. It's the same thing over and over again. My wife even bagged up this wire. While we're working, she sometimes says, "Am I the only one doing this kind of work?" I can't deny it. I really am putting her through a lot. I want to get rid of these concrete pieces quickly, too. This land is 300 kilometers away. Even when I come here to work, progress is slow, but we are moving forward. Wait, what's that swinging? It's a light. It must be from my last video, when that pipe nearly killed me. This hose has been buried here since the day I inherited this place, just like my father, stubborn, unmoving. Even so, this time I'm pulling it out. I couldn't beat my father, but I beat this. When the water finally burst out, I felt a small sense of relief. Do you want to see more of this? That's it for today. Thanks for watching.